It's me, Prakash Simkhada. I am student of 1 year STEAM education, Kathmandu University. As a assignment of research methodology, I have prepared a action research. Today, I am going to present on my topic developing responsible learning habits among grade 10 students through activity-based learning. In my classroom scenario, I am facing a lot of problems. In every classes, I found most of the students are not being responsible for their own work, like submission of homework, doing project work, and other activities inside the classroom. In order to make the students more responsible and confident, I have planned to do the action research on the topic. Mainly, in my classroom, I found students lack responsibility in learning. They have very passive participation in the classroom activities. They need so I felt I need to do I need to develop some plan for active learning of the learners. I have chosen this problem for the research because it is real classroom issue which I am facing in my classroom. It requires immediate practical improvement for better involvement of the learners. In this research, I can directly intervene and observe the changes in learner based on my intervention of different activities. In this action research, I am going to plan or I am planning to implement activity-based instruction, and I will observe the behavior of the students after doing the activity-based instruction, and I will reflect on improvement. The main purpose of this action research is to develop responsible learning habits and to improve the participation through activities. Mainly, action research solve real classroom problem. In action research, it is teacher-based research and it seeks immediate improvement in the problem faced by the facilitator or teachers. It also follows the cyclical process where plan, act and observe, reflect come in order in a sequential manner. The key characteristics of action research include it is practical and problem solving approach, and it is cyclical in nature as it involves plan, act, observe and reflect in a cyclic manner, and it is a reflective practice and context based because the teachers are doing the research on the same issue whatever they are facing in the classroom. The main significance of the action research is to improve the student responsibility and enhance my teaching methods and promote the active learning for the learners and build accountability for themselves. In the steps of action research, planning, acting, observing and reflecting, I am planning to design the activities in planning phase, and I will assign the different group roles for the group member in the group, and I also prepare the different tools for the activities that should be performed by the learners. And in acting phase, the learners will implement the activities or the learner will do the activities. I will engage the students in different activities. And in observing phase, I will monitor the participation and record the student behavior, how they perform in the activities. And in reflecting phase, I will analyze the result and I will develop the plan to implement or to improve the strategy that are developed through the course of action or in the intervention. The main expected outcome include the improved responsibility strategy, active participation of learner, and better learning habits of the learners. Thank you.